Welcome back to AK Auto Expert, your trusted channel for the latest car reviews, features, and comparisons. If you love luxury, technology, and performance, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, a vehicle that defines what next-level electric luxury really means. Let's see why this SUV is not just a ride, it's a statement. Exterior. The 2026 EQS SUV takes elegance and aerodynamics to another level. At first glance, its flowing design stands out with a seamless front fascia, digital LED headlights, and the signature black panel grille featuring the Mercedes star pattern. The new 21-inch aero wheels, hidden door handles, and sculpted body lines give it an ultra-modern yet graceful look. Mercedes has refined the dimensions for improved stance and road presence, wider, longer, and more aerodynamic. With a drag coefficient as low as 0.25, it's one of the sleekest SUVs on the road. Available in a stunning palette of premium colors, including diamond white and obsidian black, the EQS SUV looks at home both in a luxury showroom and on open highways. Performance. Underneath its elegant exterior lies serious power. The 2026 EQS SUV is available in several trims: EQS 450 Plus, EQS 584 MATIC, and the top AMG variant. The EQS 580 delivers up to 536 horsepower and 633 pound-feet of torque, offering instant acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. It features dual electric motors with Mercedes, advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension for a smooth yet confident ride. The range has been improved, offering up to 390 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. With DC fast charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in around 30 minutes. Quiet, refined, and powerful, the EQS SUV redefines what electric performance feels like. Interior. Step inside, and you enter a world of futuristic luxury. The cabin is dominated by the MBUX Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass display that stretches across the dashboard, giving both driver and passenger their own interactive zones. Premium materials surround you, from Napa leather to open-pore wood and ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors. The seating comfort is unmatched, offering massaging, ventilated, and heated options in all rows. With a new 7-seat configuration, the EQS SUV delivers practicality alongside opulence. The panoramic roof, digital scent system, and Burmester 3D sound system elevate the experience to first-class level. Safety features. Mercedes never compromises on safety. The 2026 EQS SUV is loaded with next-generation tech, including active distance assist, active steering assist, and autonomous emergency braking. The car also supports Level 3 semi-autonomous driving, allowing hands-free operation in certain conditions. A 360-degree camera, blind spot assist, adaptive cruise control, and pedestrian detection make every journey safe and confident. The body structure is reinforced with advanced materials and intelligent crash sensors, all working together to protect you and your loved ones. Prices. Now let's talk about pricing. The EQS 450 Plus starts around $105,000, while the EQS 584 MATIC